Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, I want to bring you an update on the entire crypto market. I will talk a little bit about this. I want to do it quick. I don't want to do like a really long video, just update you on what we saw happen over the last few days. Bringing this chart to you here because it's important. I showed you this before. If you've been watching my channel, if you're new, I'm going to break it down quick. If it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Before I go any further, whatever I tell you, it's not investment advice, it's just my own personal opinions on the market, so do your own research, or please do it before you invest your money. This chart here, right, it's the, let me just take the Gaussian channel off, and I'm going to explain everything super quick, right? For those who have been watching my channel, I told you, I've got the 50-week blue line, and as you can see up here, it's on the weekly time frame, right? I have the blue line, which is the 50-week, and I got the red line, which is the 200-week. Every time that Bitcoin has broke this blue line, it's as simple as this. Every time the Bitcoin price broke the blue line, and we saw a candle close below it, it spilled darkness, just horribleness in the future for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's price always came down to the 200 red line, and this is known to be true every single time you've seen it break this blue line and have a new candle close. Look at this, look. So the green candle here was a fine example, came straight down to the red line, you see, and that was our bear market. And let's just take a look back, because that was 2017, 2018. This is 2013 to 2014's top. Look, right back, and I'll tell you what, if I've got them on a different chart. You can use the BLX chart, and the red line down here, it extends longer. But take a look again. This green candle here confirmed that, you know, we broke below, we tried to come back up, resisted, and this was the confirmation of a bear market. Where are we today? So let's take a look at where we are today, because Bitcoin did break down. And I said to you guys, I'm watching this like a hawk, right? And as you can see, Bitcoin done something truly special. That's all I can say, because it broke down, and this was a candle printed below the blue line. And I said to you guys, I'm waiting till the end of the week, and I still am. I'm going to bring you that video, Sunday at the end of the week, to show you what I see, or Monday, one of those days. Because Bitcoin right now has come back above this blue line. And for me, you know, Bitcoin really has to maintain above this blue line in order to remain bullish. And at the moment, it is above the blue line. I actually said I wanted to see it, you know, come above 48,000. But let me just extend this blue line. Hold on a minute. Let me just bring this down a little bit. I'm guessing the blue line's somewhere here. So, you know, we could be clear of the blue line right now. So if it does print another candle, you know, we would be above it. Can I make these lines transparent? Let me just zoom out a little bit. Sorry. I just want to see if I can make... Oh, actually, I'll tell you what. Let me grab up the Gaussian channel, because when you bring the Gaussian channel in, you can see stuff a bit more clearly. I will try and make these a bit more transparent. Hold on. Because I want to really focus your attention on the blue line. How do we do this? Hold on. Body, borders. Is it the body of the... in the thingies? Let me just check this. Hold on. Green. Here we go. Can we make this transparent? Is that the right one? I don't know. Listen, it's been a while since I've done this. Was that right? No, it's not. Look, you're just going to have to bear with me on this one. Let me bring that back up clean. Status lines. Look, this is why I need to spend more time looking in the back. Anyway, let me just go to it. I wanted to show you the blue line. I'm just going to draw like an imaginary line, because I assume that we are above it and it's going to look something like this, right? And we want to remain above this blue line, because if we can and we can print above this blue line, it will be bullish for Bitcoin. Because, you know, would be out of this Gaussian channel, which I told you guys about. And just to quickly show new people that are watching, Gaussian channel on the weekly is powerful, because you can see, look, whenever we've been out of it, it's been strong. We bounced above it, printed a new all-time high. We recently broke into it, but I'm hoping we're actually coming back out of it now. If you have a look here, every time we broke into the Gaussian channel, this candle here confirmed it down. We're in the Gaussian channel. Look, we had a few candles deciding whether we should come back out or not, or trying to break above this blue line, which is also in the Gaussian channel. This red one here was the confirmed print below. Broke out. To me, this is called a fake out. It faked out and it shot straight back down to the red line. Let's take a look at the Gaussian channel over here. Look, when the candle of 2018 Topps bull run came down, you see this candle here broke down. It was below the blue line, And, you know, this candle here confirmed below the blue line whilst it was in the Gaussian channel. Look what happened at the end. Devastating. So this is why these two work powerful. The blue 50 week moving average and the Gaussian channel. You can grab it up if you like on TradingView here as well. Let's see. Let me just quickly, because I don't want to make this super long. I just want to grab this next chart up. Is this still possible? Because this is my Bitcoin log growth curves. I did it in a rainbow shape so you can see what's going on. Is it still possible? Is it possible for Bitcoin to go to this red line at the top? Well, I still think it is. And I think that we're going to see a lot different to what we saw before. Meaning back in 2013 to 2014 top, we saw November was a crazy month. November just shot up really, really fast straight to the top. If you look at the next cycle, it took a few weeks to get to the top. Now this one, obviously we've broken below our green support level, but it could be an extended bull cycle should the other chart play out right. You know, if Bitcoin remains above this, Gaussian and the 50 week, because if it remains above, it can just, it could be an extended one where we just see price action like this. So, that's what I'm keeping my eye on. This could still be possible. It could lead us into 2022, March, April, I don't know, I'm just saying. Just trying to open your mind to different things, okay? And before I go, I just want to show you this last thing, and then I'll leave you guys to it. You can decide what you want to do for the rest of your day. We are in fear right now. So even though we've been seeing a good few green candles, price action, your money's going back up. And I know you've been seeing it, you've been checking your portfolio, prices are going back up, but the market's still in fear. What does this mean? People, you're seeing the prices go up, but you're still fearful that it's just going to shoot back down again. So in my eyes, it's still a good time to buy. Because anytime I see prices in extreme fear and fear on this side, good time to buy. When it's extreme greed, good time to sell. That's where smart money is taking profits. I'm going to leave you with this right here. So back in March, April, May, we created this bottom right here, these lows of lows, right? And we was in this area for a long period of time. And this is, again, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, but it's powerful, this chart. And as you can see here, we came up to this middle area here. We never went right up here, extended to the top. This is like super, euphoric moments right up here. But I think it's coming. We came back down here to 16s and whatnots, but it's higher than this last one. So we've got a low and then a higher low. I was thinking that this would be the higher low, but this could be the higher low for what we wanted here in our support. So, should things continue to play out, I'd expect this now, 34, to come up to here somewhere. The 47s to, 70s. Well, 70s quite high. 47 to 75. I expect it, even 84. I expect to see some buy power come up here. And if it's not Bitcoin, I tell you now, it's going to be the altcoins. Because this is Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the whole of the crypto. So I expect if it's not Bitcoin, the dominance is going to come down on Bitcoin, meaning that all the money that you see in Bitcoin today is going to come out and it's going to go into the altcoins, and you're going to see some crazy alt season. So not investment advice, but I would seriously start grabbing some altcoins now that you wanted to get cheap before they absolutely explode. I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. You can tell I just woke up. Trying to get something to you fresh, today. Thank you for watching. If you want to become a Patreon, I got 7 tiers. Take your pick. I got 10% off if you want to be with me for the year. They see things that you don't see straight away. They see it straight away. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. I'm going to open it up so you can see this one here, because this one here gives you my posts. When I buy, when I sell, when I stake, the whole lot. You can click on the posts, unlocks everything. When I whitelist, when I IDO. If you want that little bit more, go for my CEO tier. This is my super alerts. You get exclusive access to my VIP Telegram group where I talk to you way before I buy, way before I sell, way before I do anything. It's all in there. We've got high crypto profiles with big money talking about big things in this space. It's not a joke. Sharing awesome projects before I've even bought them. So if that sounds like something for you, check it out. Guys, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.